To access the Options menu, press the blue button on your non-drawing hand. Here, you will be able to access various options and menus by pointing and clicking with your drawing hand controller on the icons here. Let's start with the options under Save and Export. Here you can save and export your files, and also take screenshots of your work as well. Use the slider on the bottom of the interface to choose where to save your files and screenshots. You can save your files to the cloud or to your device or computer. To exit out of a file and back to the lobby, use the door icon here and point and click with your drawing hand. Click the gears icon to access your settings. By default, you will be in the Sketching Aid tab. You can access your preferences here, along with your workspace settings here, and enable beta features here. To view and import reference images, click the small image icon. Any reference images saved on your device or computer will appear here. Clicking on the landing pad folder will enable you to access reference images you have saved to the cloud. To import files and use prefabs, click on the mannequin icon. Here, you can use a set of prefabs for mannequins, a torso, a head, or a dynamic vehicle chassis. To import your own files, click on the arrow icon on the bottom of the interface. Once in your import library, you can use any files saved in your library, or access files on your computer or in the cloud. To view the layers in your project, click on the layers icon here. The layers in your project will appear, enabling you greater control of what you see and how your file is organized. If you are in a co-creation room, you can view the online users, as well as audio settings for co-creation here. You can also choose to show or hide your UI. If you are tethered to a computer, you can access your orthographic views here. Each side from these can be torn off and placed in your project as well. Simply use the grab sphere and grab trigger to grab a view and place it. Lastly, to view more tutorials and learn more about Gravity Sketch, press on the purple hat icon at the bottom. Here, you'll find more tutorials and lessons you can use to learn Gravity Sketch with ease. To exit out of the Options menu, simply tap the blue menu button on your non-drawing hand once again.